This video was made possible by Mzizi International, the official African diaspora clothing brand. Visit mzizishop.com for more information. There is no denying that TikTok has emerged as one of the most beloved social media platforms in recent times. The Chinese social media app's explosive popularity stems from its short-form, personalized video content coupled with easy creation tools and a strong emphasis on trending music and challenges, all of which have fostered a highly engaging and accessible platform for both content consumption and creation. However, the social media darling has come under intense scrutiny in recent times, with several countries worldwide going to great lengths to impose partial or total bans on it for various reasons ranging from data security to the spread of misinformation. And now, Kenya has also entered the fray, with lawmakers currently considering a petition to ban the app in the country, or at the very least, regulate it. Before we dive into our topic today, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channels and ringing the bell to be notified about all our exciting future videos. The fate of TikTok in Kenya is currently hanging in the balance as lawmakers in the East African country consider a petition to ban the app. The petition describes TikTok as a serious threat to Kenya's cultural and religious values, accusing the site of fostering violence, explicit sexual content, hate speech, vulgar language, and disrespectful behavior. The sharing of explicit content, misinformation, and hate speech on the app in Kenya has raised concerns about the effectiveness of TikTok's content moderation efforts, which rely in part on artificial intelligence. In an advisory to the parliamentary panel to address these concerns, Kenya's Ministry of Information and Communication offered an alternative strategy. Rather than imposing a TikTok ban, the ministry recommends the implementation of a co-regulation framework. Under this suggested framework, TikTok would be required to check its content for compliance with Kenyan legislation. Furthermore, the platform would be forced to provide quarterly reports to the government describing the removed content. Although experts believe that TikTok's popularity, particularly among young people and small businesses, makes a ban improbable, several TikTok content creators in Kenya have spoken out against the potential ban, as have some MPs, citing its widespread use by influencers and businesses. It would also go against Kenya's positioning as a tech and innovation leader on the continent, said Nairobi-based media consultant Brian Degwa. But their moderation just isn't good enough yet for content in Kenya and most of Africa, he added. Mr. Ndegwa also said he believes more African governments will look closely at TikTok, noting previous disruptions and proposed bans in Somalia, Senegal, Egypt, and Uganda. He expressed concern that such prohibitions could open the door to censorship. TikTok has already been banned in a few countries and removed from government-issued smartphones in others due to official concerns about the app's privacy and cybersecurity risks. In the USA, concerns that the Chinese Communist Party could obtain sensitive user data through TikTok have caused the Senate to pass legislation forcing TikTok's parent company ByteDance to sell the platform to a government-approved buyer or risk a nationwide ban. While a ban on TikTok seems improbable due to its popularity and economic benefits, the Kenyan government's recommendation for stricter regulation reflects the challenges of content moderation on a platform widely used in Africa. The continent's diverse linguistic landscape, with Kenya alone boasting 47 local languages, necessitates the development of AI moderation tools specifically trained on African content. It will be interesting to see whether Kenya's decision to regulate TikTok could set a precedent, prompting more African nations to re-evaluate their approach to managing social media platforms in the face of evolving online content. Your perspective matters. Do you think more African countries should consider restricting TikTok? Share your thoughts and insights in the comments section below. For continued updates on global affairs and diplomatic developments, be sure to subscribe to the New Africa channel. Stay informed, stay engaged. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content in the future.